Hello there, it's Marina here. It's been a long time since I had to make mixed media. So for today, let's make an easy and simple mixed media card. First, we have to cut a piece of watercolor paper. And then I am going to wet this entire piece of paper with water. I just used two colors, pink and yellow, because I love this combination. There is no specific way I use my paints. I'm just playing on the paper, and when I like the result, I will stop. I am done with painting, and I will use my heat tool to speed up the dry process. Some pink splashes here and there. For the stamping, I use a grey ink pad, and because I want the background to be smooth, first I use my stamp in a piece of paper, and then I am stamping in my watercolor paper. With a spatula and some gesso, I use a stencil. You can find a full list of products down below in the description box. Now I am going to stick the paper with a liquid glue on my card base that measures 21 by 10.5 centimeters. Here I have some chipboards by snip art that I want to use embossing powder to give them a shiny touch. I am powdering up all these pieces with the embossing powder. And now I am sticking them and arrange their positions on my card. I use gel paste to stick a piece of cheesecloth. All the flowers are made by me with foamiran, and I am sticking them with hot glue, or you can use gel paste as well. For the sentiment, I am going to use the phrase live in the sunshine and stamping it in a piece of paper with the same ink pad I used before. I am using foam tape to give a little dimension. A small butterfly here. Small beads and some glitter are going to give the final touch to my card. I hope it was an easy and fun tutorial for you. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me your comments down below. See you next time. Bye!